We are on the corniche.
Oh my goodness, yes. The view, oh my god, the view.
You know, if you look for something in Cairo like an Airbnb, for this price, you'll have something nowhere near as nice. Hello from Alexandria. This is a very quick vlog. Yes, I'm in Alexandria. I'm here on vacation with my husband, so I have not been filming and I don't plan to, but I just wanted to show you guys my accommodation very quickly because it is so beautiful. So, I will leave the information link in the description of this video, but here we are. This is a beautiful Airbnb. It is massive, and this is not a paid promotion, by the way. I'm just showing it to you guys because, as you know, I like to show restaurants and hotels, but it's never paid promotion. So they have a washing machine. I'm currently doing laundry because I wore a white dress up here. We rode our motorcycles, and of course that white dress got dirty while I was riding. Good times though, I had a lot of fun. This is the bathroom. So just after you come in, nice spacious bathroom, a shower, places to put your things, sink, and they provide towels as well, nice mirror. Fan if you want it on. Anyways, let's continue the quick tour of this Airbnb. We'll go there in just a second. All right, so this is the bedroom. Gorgeous. So you have a mirror for anyone that wants to check their look. Very comfortable bed, air conditioning, large wardrobe for storing your clothes, and a hanger. And there is a balcony out here, but it's not that amazing, and my husband's out there. He doesn't want to be in the video, so I am gonna not show you guys that, but you can see it on Airbnb. This is the living room.
Oh my goodness, yes.
How beautiful. So you have a sink. There's a mini fridge in here, a stovetop as well. We're not using that though. Alexandria has so much amazing food. We're no need to cook. We're eating as much as we can out here. But yeah, drying rack and an iron if you want that. Comfortable couch and a TV. And the view, oh my God, the view. That is the Citadel of Quito right out there. This is so gorgeous. Working on my laptop just a little bit, not too much, but I always bring my laptop with me. And the balcony. Let's go. Oh my goodness. That is the Citadel, like I said, from the window. And you can see all the way down here. We are on the corniche. Like centrally located, probably very windy. Yeah. Oh my God. I can't, if I face this way, I think the lighting is very bad. But it is absolutely gorgeous. For the price, which it cost $67 a night. Let's go back inside. It's a little bit less noisy and windy. But yes, this place was $67 a night. which is amazing for what you're getting. You know, me and my husband never go on vacation together, and the cost is very low for that. And you know, if you look for something in Cairo like an Airbnb, for this price, you'll have something nowhere near as nice. I mean, again, with this view.
And this opens, by the way.
So if you want this open,
You can.
yes, gorgeous. Now it's a little bit humid. It's the summer, it's August. But you can imagine in the winter just having these open with the breeze coming in. I mean, it is so gorgeous. Yeah, so for the price, it is absolutely wonderful. Now, it might be a little bit noisy for some people. To me, I mean, anywhere on the corniche, if you don't like noise, then don't stay near the corniche in Alexandria, because it is the main strip, it is busy, there's lots of traffic, it's a main road, a lot of people come out at night. And so, yeah, avoid the corniche if you don't want noise. But I mean, for me, I live in Cairo, I'm used to it. It doesn't bother me at all. The bedroom is also a bit removed, so it's not as noisy in the bedroom as it is in here. I didn't even notice the noise though. Like, it didn't bother me at all, but I know for some people it might. But yeah, very, very pleased. High ceilings. Now this AC is actually not working at the moment, so you know, there's the Wi-Fi was also working very well yesterday, but it's not today. So you're a little hit and miss, but I have cellular data. The AC works really well in the bedroom, and it's making the entire studio or apartment cool enough, and definitely cool in the bedroom. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this very quickly. So this is the kind of accommodation that you can find in Alexandria. There's hotels, there's one hostel. That's usually where like I stay in budget accommodation. But yeah, something like this, splurging. And it's not that much for how beautiful it is. So anyways, I'm gonna stop ranting about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one back in Cairo. Mesala.